So this is what was left of last week's snacks. You know, concoction. Flounder's playing with the dogs after they just ate. That's why they barked. Because there's a lot of snacks here, and here, and here, I'm not going to do any refills. So this is going to be like a short restock. This is the restock. We've also been eating more fresh fruits and vegetables. So that's another thing why there's no snack restock. Like, well, there's a snack restock, but it's not like a snack restock. Grapes. She likes the oranges. That's pretty much why. Okay, see you next time.